In this video, we are going to see how we can enter the purchase order of the raw materials in Sage. As you can see here, on 2nd of January, it says purchase order placed of cloth B to Star Textiles. So we will go straight into Sage, and vendors and purchases is the section where we will enter a purchase order and click on new purchase order from here. Let's select Star Textiles. The date of transaction is 2nd of January and goods should be delivered through, this is the default date set. So I'll keep it as it is. Purchase order number, if we have any, yes, we have it here. It's 124. And let's mention the items now. We have only one item that we have given the order of. So the quantity of this is 40,000. Item name is cloth B. The rate is 150. This makes the total to 6 million. And just confirm everything is okay before saving the transaction. And after that, just save it and click yes. Now, if you see every time the note to correct the right period, what you can do is just go to the main screen here. On the top, you can see the period. So relevant period is set to 2nd of January till 28th of February. So that's right. So here the relevant period is selected to 1st of February to 28th of February, but we are entering the transaction for January. So that's why we need to adjust that. We'll change it to January for now, click OK, so that we don't see the message every time to correct the relevant period. So this is how you enter a purchase order and also how we can correct the period in Sage. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.